Hi everyone, ito nga pala ang Agritech Innovation, and today I'm going to talk about hydroponics. And this is a way the plants grow without using soil, and instead plants grow in water that has all the food they need. And I'll tell you why hydroponics is becoming popular and why you should try it too. So, ano nga bang hydroponics? It means growing plants in water instead of dirt. Why is it important? Because hydroponic uses a lot less water, up to 90%. Napakalaki, natipid sa tubig. Nakakatipid rin ito sa bakuran mo. And you can grow plants even if you live in a small apartment. Marami kang may tatago na good items. At isa pa, plants can grow faster too. You don't have to worry about bugs or bad soil. Maganda rin ito pang samantagal buong taon. Kahit ano ang weather. Whether it is sunny or rainy. At isa pa, hydroponics helps us grow food in cities and places where farming is hard, which is great for the environment and for feeding more people. Paano nga ba ito nakakatipid at pangalagaan ng ating minamahal na earth? Hydroponics can give you more fruits and veggies in less time, so you get more food from the same space, earth. Since you don't use soil, you don't need to use many chemicals or pesticides, which is better for the environment at in your health. At kung diisip mo na mahal magtayo ng hydroponics, hindi ka nagkakamali. Mali pala. Mali ka nang iniisip. Pwede kang maggawa ng simpleng hydroponic sa bahay gamit ang plastic at bote. Pwede rin container. Kailangan mo rin maging creative at mag-aral kung paano ito gawin. So ano pang iniintay mo? Magtayo ka na ng hydroponics ngayon. Sa muli, ang hydroponics ay nakakapag-save ng water, saves space, helps you grow more food, and can be done without spending a lot of money. Pwede mo na yung pangwalwal. If you want to learn more about growing your own food in a smart and green way, hydroponics is the key. At kung may katanungan kayo, sabihin nyo lang at comment nyo. At mag-subscribe na kayo kasi limited lang to.